You know, ever since I blew up my E92, there has been a hole in my heart. And that hole is to go super fast on the German Autobahn with an E92. And I couldn't do that because I blew up my engine. So today I brought in bigger guns to hopefully fulfill my quest of going super fast on the German Autobahn.
I don't feel at all. Like.
Okay, just very quickly, because we have done a video previous about this car where we go into full detail and explain everything about the car, but today it's more about the driving. So if you want to know any more details about the car, make sure to watch the other video. But right now I'm just going to give you guys a very quick overview for those of you who aren't familiar with this car. So you just know a little bit about it, but if you want to know anything more, then you have to watch the other video. As you can see, beautiful S65 engine, 4-liter V8 naturally aspirated, with the carbon intake on it as well. Very beautiful engine, sounds very nice. Competition wheels as well, super dirty, but we're going to take care of that in just a second. Color on this one is not alpine white, it's mineral white actually, so a little gloss effect on there. In the interior, very beautiful, black leather and all of that good stuff. Dual clutch transmission, no manual, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Carbon roof, carbon spoiler, different exhaust system actually, not stock exhaust. This is a Grail exhaust, and this time around we actually are able to open the valves properly, because last time there was a little bit of a struggle, but now we can do that, so should be pretty good for sound wise, you know. Suspension wise, KW free suspension, which handles super nice I have to say, for driving, and especially we're going to go very high speeds today, and especially for that super useful, because if you know stock suspensions on these old E-series BMWs, they kind of tend to feel a little unsafe, I would say, at higher speeds. So I'm very glad about my safety, and also the safety of the car, of course, that it has the KW suspension, because this way we can still handle the corners very nicely, even at high speeds, which you're also going to see when we get into the driving. Yes.
Driving this car is always such a pleasure, I have to say. And now, with the upgraded exhaust, with the valves open constantly, it's just a dream to drive this car. The thing is, we already have so much traffic on the street, even though it's still relatively early, I would say. So it's not really worth the risk of going super fast right now if there's so many cars on the road, but yeah.
Nach rechts, ja, aber da vorne, da sind noch welche links. Die wollen noch nicht nach rechts.
Tschüss. Will aber auch nicht.
Jetzt hier wieder die heißen Corner.
Dass er die aber so mit seinem Sprinter nimmt, ist aber echt
Schon
wild.
krank, ja.
Komm schon. Street is just super busy right now for some reason. It's a Sunday, so I don't even know where all of these people are going, but whatever. I mean, okay, we didn't quite get it, guys. So I have to do another try.
So that was a complete success in my book. We went 300 with the car survived, we survived. That's very good. Yeah, I mean, it's always so funny to think about that you can legally go 300 kilometers per hour on a normal road in Germany, which might be a complete culture shock for some of you guys. But honestly, it was, of course, a lot of fun driving these high speeds. I want to say though that you have to be super careful, and especially when you're going that fast for the first time. I think it's super dangerous if you're not an experienced driver, so always keep that in mind, you know. Of course, I'm a trained professional, so I can do these things, but yeah, just be careful out there, I guess. Another successful E92 video. Hopefully this one survives longer than the 335 did. I'm still a little bit mad about that, if you can't tell, but yeah. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what else you want to see, and that's it, I guess, you know. Maybe I'll do an edit now of the car, you know.